Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You must have heard about Bittensor, also known as Tao. It is one of the top cryptocurrencies. Let me show you a bit of its stats. Its current price is $361. The market cap is $3.53 billion and its total supply is 21 million, the same as Bitcoins. If I tell you that you can mine this coin for free, would you believe me? Probably not. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about a project through which you can mine Tao for free. So let's see how we can mine this coin. It will be done through Inspect. They have also announced this. Inspect is a layer 2 project on top of Tao. They have 203k followers right now. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So Inspect came up with a new project called Substrike. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. When you find this link, simply click it and you land on this page. First, you need to click on Join Mining Pool. Then here you need to connect your X account. So click on Connect X, then Authorize App, and you'll see a green tick mark, meaning it's done. After that, here you need to enter your ERC20 Ethereum address from MetaMask. So open MetaMask, copy the address and paste it here. After seeing both green tick marks, click on Join Mining Pool and you land on this page. So far we've joined the mining pool, but our mining hasn't started yet. How do we start mining? First, you can take a screenshot here. Then go to your X profile and make any tweet mentioning Inspect XYZ. Select the screenshot you took earlier and post it. I'll share the link to this tweet on my Telegram. You guys come to my tweet and post the link to your own tweet below it. And all of you should interact with each other here. After that, go back to the task page and click on Quote Now. It will redirect to the X page, but here don't repost it now, so cancel this and go back to the page. Copy this hashtag, then go back to X, click on the repost button, select quote, paste the hashtag here and then post. Then you can repost this. Now check your X profile for the post you created with this hashtag. Simply copy this post link, go back to the Inspect page and paste the link here, then submit, and it's done and the task is complete. By doing such tweets and completing tasks, we can mine Tao coins. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.